Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So recently Peter had a little bit of a dig at me because he noticed that some photos that he has taken of me that I put on Instagram, I had flipped like horizontally. And he said, why did you do that? And I said, well, because I think I look better when I'm flipped around that way in these photos. And he was like, no way, I've got to try this out.
So today I'm going to talk about flipping the model and not that flipping, another flipping. The thing Beck pointed out to me, and I'd never actually thought about that. In the old days, especially when I was working with some magazines, I used to flip my pictures upside down. And when you flipped it upside down, the most important thing became visible. And if it wasn't where you want it to be, go and take the picture again. But I've never thought about flipping left and right. So when I found this picture of Beck that had been flipped, I thought, no way. And when I did it, I actually thought, oh. So one of the next things you can do with your photography is before you edit the picture, try flipping it back and forth and see which way it's most complementary to the style you want to do. This also explains to me why a couple of Kate Moss pictures I know were flipped, because she has a mole on the side of one of her boobs and all of a sudden it's on the other boob, so the photographer's obviously done that as well. So what I'm going to start off with, and I'm just in Photos on Mac because it's the quickest and easiest way. So this was the original frame, and I'll look at it for a minute and then you flip it. And you see that I don't want to use the word sexier, but if I come back, like that's a nice picture. Well, as soon as I flip it, there seems to be a more seductive feel about this picture. And if you flip back and forth quick, you'll get lost. But this is the flipped version. I think it has a much nicer feel to it. So I'm just going to show you a few more. So this is a flipped version. It says revert to original, so that's telling you this has been flipped, and there's the original. This one was a little bit harder because I've got so used to the flipped version. I think with this picture, I could handle either. I don't see that big a change, but I felt if Beck's going to have it flipped, I'm going to flip it. Now, I was really surprised with this. This is the original version. I've always loved this picture. When I flipped it, oh my God, there's a whole new person there. So it's like having a new model, except it feels different to what I'm normally used to seeing of Beck. I flip it back, that's my normal Beck, and that's my flipped Beck. I'm really tempted to change my pictures. I'm going to save it as this, so I'm going to leave it in the flipped version. Another one with Beck, this is just the original, and there's the flipped, but can you see it doesn't really change much? So it's not like every picture does. So if I flip it through, it really doesn't change much. We're not getting a different expression, we're not getting a different feel. So it's one of those things that every picture needs to be treated on its individual merits. And if you're a diehard, you're not going to flip them, you're going to leave it how it is. But I'm finding this is a really interesting way to get a new look to your photos. Now this picture I haven't flipped, so I don't know what's going to happen. Oh, but completely different Beck. So I'm going to have to burn all my t-shirts to do new t-shirts with that Beck on. Maybe I should do a front Beck and a flipped back Beck on my t-shirts. So now I'm going to go to a different model. This is Evelyn. It's a shot I really like of hers. Can you see that just put this edge into the picture? It's like she's just gone, yeah. There was, and when it goes there, there's just this extra punch in it. I'm definitely going to reload this picture especially to my website, flipped to here. I think it's so much nicer. So another one with Evelyn. So the original flipped, I'm not seeing much change at all. So like I said before, every picture's on its own merit. And again with Tiziana, I flipped her picture and really it doesn't change at all, which makes it really good for doing commercial work and ad work. It means you can write your writing on the left or right-hand side of the page, which makes it really, really handy. And as I was clicking through these pictures, this is a Zoe picture I did. Again, really the picture doesn't really change. But instead of only picking one picture from somebody, I decided to just have a look at a couple of their pictures. And when I came to this picture, completely changes her. Like, I love the original, the flip I don't like one little bit. The whole attitude of the pictures it's like you're having an attack at me. So I'm finding this fascinating by doing these things. You learn something every day. So on to Tess, it's one of my favourite photos of her. When I flip it, there's a very small change, but not enough. I've always loved the original shot, so I wouldn't change this. But then on this picture of Tess, which I also liked, when I flipped it, I've gone, oh my God, I like this so much better. To me, there's a little bit of strength on this side, and all of a sudden, when we come to there, it's like she's let go and sort of letting you look at her. I just find that here, there's a stiffness, maybe a little bit don't look at me, and here is please look at me. This might be crazy, I might be the only person in the world that can see this, but I don't care, because these are these final little things that will make your pictures better. If you can see something different in the flip and it stands out to you that I like that version better, that should be the picture that you then show the world. And then Tess again, this is one of the first shoots I ever did with her. This is quite old, but this was how it was shot. When I flip it, now it got more strength. So it's gone the other way, that the flip has added more attitude, more strength. And this seems a little bit more accepting to me. I don't know, but this is just my gut feeling. I still prefer my original with this flip. So one of my first muses, Natasha, I've always really, really liked this shot. It was a commercial shoot that we did. And when I flipped it, I've gone, oh, you can just see that's so much more seductive. It's so much more her looking into you, where this is just, it's like looking at you. Now it's like looking into you. Yeah, I'm going to kill Beck, because now I have to change not all, but certain pictures to my website, because I'm keeping this at the flipped because I like this version of it so much nicer. Now I've got a picture of Tahan, and this is where it gets hard, because that's the original. When I flip it and flip it back, if I flip it too much, I'll get lost, but I still prefer the original. Now onto the final image. This is Danny. This is one of my favourite shots I've ever taken. And when you flip it, oh no, something's just not right. I don't know, so I've known this picture all my life as this way, and with it flipped the other way, it's too alien for me, but there's no way known I'm going to change the flip on this, because this is how I really like this picture. And you might be able to see it, or you might be able to see it. You might like this version better, but this then comes down to the whole thing of you are the artist and you decide what you want to show the world, and that's what you should show the world.
So I hope that was interesting, and I'm sorry if this has given you something on your never-ending to-do list to go through and flip all of your photos, but yeah, go try it out for yourselves.